Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Coinbase account. First, navigate to the Coinbase website or download their mobile app. You'll then click Get Started and provide your full legal name, email address, and a strong password. It's important to use your real name as it appears on your government ID. After submitting, check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. This initial step is quick and easy. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which is a crucial security step. Coinbase requires a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. You'll upload clear images of both sides of your chosen ID. Sometimes, a quick selfie or liveness check is also required to confirm it's really you. This process helps keep your account secure and complies with financial regulations. Once your identity is verified, it's time to link a payment method. You can choose to connect a bank account, which is a common option. You'll securely link it using your online banking login. Alternatively, you can add a debit card for faster transactions, allowing you to buy cryptocurrency almost instantly. Coinbase supports various payment options to suit your needs, making funding your account straightforward. With your account set up and a payment method linked, you're almost ready to begin. Take a moment to review and accept the user agreement and privacy policy. Then, you can explore the Coinbase dashboard, browse different cryptocurrencies, and start trading. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication. Welcome to Coinbase, where your crypto journey begins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.